Hello, my name is David Han. Here is my question. Find data when tangent square data minus tangent data equals 0. And when data is same or bigger than 0 and smaller than 2 pi. So I first change this function a little bit easier so I can solve. Tangent data multiply tangent data minus 1. Same as this function equals 0. So to find when tangent to solve this function, I have to find either one of this or this function has to be 0. I have to just find where the data is when this or this function is 0. Tangent data A, which is this, equals 0, and tangent data B minus 1 equals 0. This is two functions the key to solve this kind of problems. Tangent data A equals 0, which means data A equals the inverse tangent of 0. Same thing. I'm going to use a unit circle for this one actually. And before this actually, first of all, tangent is opposite over adjacent. In the quadrant or unit circle, it is y the opposite, which is y, adjacent, which is over. So there's y over x. So to find tangent inverse tangent 0, we just have to find where any of x or y is 0. So we have a 4 point here when y is 0, here when x is 0, here again when y is 0, here again when x is 0. I know the answer. It is a 0 or pi for this function. It's the pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2 is not answer because tangent pi over 2 or tangent 3 pi over 2 is undefined. So the answer is 2, 0 or pi. So for data A, the answer is 0 and pi. I'm going to find the data B now. Tangent data B minus 1 equals 0, which means tangent data B equals positive 1. Data B is inverse tangent of positive 1. And then I'm going to draw a triangle in the quadrant graph. Because this function is tangent is positive, it's gotta be in the first or third quadrant. I draw a triangle which is opposite, which opposite is 1, and adjacent is 1. I find 45-degree triangle for data 1 of the data B. It is a 45-degree. In radian form, it is a pi over 4. And second data here, we have to have this whole large thing. And because the triangle for second data has the same angle with data 1, second data is actually pi plus data 1, which is pi plus pi over 4. So data 2 is 5 pi over 4. And I wrote it as an equation here. We have to have a plus 2 pi k when k is an integer. Because this is a period of the tangent. But here the data cannot be bigger than 2 pi. And if I include the 2 pi k, and when the k is 1, or that's the list one of the minimum number for k. When k is 1, both of the numbers gonna be just over 2 pi. So the k has to be 0, which is for data, which makes data B is a pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4. So for the whole answer of this tangent square data minus tangent data equals 0, data is 0 or pi, 0 pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4. Thank you.